Hey YouTube, welcome to Cat Evolutions, Pokemon card opening channel, Pokemon anything and everything. Today we are sitting here going to open and do our first video on a PokeBall 10. Inside this 10 we get one Pokemon card coin and 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs. If y'all like what y'all see, please hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Tell me how your day's been as this ball keeps unraveling. And if you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and join the Cat Evolutions family. So, let's start with the coin. So we got a Lucario coin. Very nice. And the 3 packs are Pokemon Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Ooh, Pokemon Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Been hearing these things are very hard to find. And ooh, Pokemon XY Evolutions. So I think I'm gonna start with Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Let's see. And there's the code card. And it's 1, 2, 3 to the front. Or is it 4? I have a feeling it's 4. Alright, let's see if I already messed up this card trick. So we have an Electabuzz, Kelseon, Netball. Be kind of nice if they make one of these in a Pokeball 10. Jigglypuff, Alolan Meowth, Cupchew, Tangela, Alolan Vulpix, Sunsai Hollow Reverse Rare, and a Smeargle Rare, and Energy. I'll just put that in my filing cabinet. Let's see. Alright, we're going to do evolutions next. So, evolutions. I only got a few cards from this set. Don't have too many. Don't have none from Lost Thunder. What? And in Burning Shadows, I have like 2 Elite Trainer boxes for. So, code card. Ooh. And I think there's, I don't even know if there's a trick to this one or not. We're about to find out. So we got a Kakuna, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Blastoise Spirit Link, Growlithe, Machop, Nidoran, Ponyta, Drowsy, Nidoran, and oh, Venusaurus EX. I don't even have that one yet. Oh, that's just awesome for my first pull from Evolutions. And take a look at just a tad closer. Now I can tell this is actually, it's not centered for one thing. It's definitely not a center card. Yeah, you can even tell on the back from top to bottom it is not centered. Thinner on top, thicker on bottom, even on the side. So this ain't a center card, but still this is a cool card to pull actually. So that is awesome. I should have saved this one for last, but let's set those to the side. Alright, last one's Burning Shadows. I know these packs are hard to find. I don't want to open this pack, but I'm going to open it because, well, I probably got a few more of these to open. So, alright, so, code card. And it's 1, 2, 3. Now I know it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got Energy. I'll put that in my filing cabinet. Rumby, Curlin, Olivia, Tangela, Rhyhorn. I'm not trying to see what's in the back there. Rylu. Cutie Fly. I always like that Cutie Fly. It's so cute, actually. Tynoma. Metapod. And ooh, Tapalulu Finye. Ooh, I never even pulled this card even before. Ooh, Brain Shouts is already being nice to me, y'all. So let me get our pulls. So this is what we got from the original PokeBall Tendo, red and white one. That's why I say the original PokeBall. So I thank you for staying tuned. I thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, comment below. Which of these pulls do you like? Do you like the Tapu Fini or do you like the Venusaur EX? Comment below. Let me know. If you like the channel, subscribe. Follow my Instagram where I post pictures all the time with different cards and things. And I will see y'all soon. Bye.